In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter on your Wix website. Creating a newsletter is a fantastic way to keep your audience informed and engaged with your content. And today, we're breaking down the steps to make it a seamless process. Let's get started by creating a lightbox for our subscribers, which will serve as the pop-up on your site where visitors can sign up for your newsletter. First, open your Wix editor, the space where you can customize your website. You'll want to navigate to the left side of your editor screen and click on Add Elements. This is where you can find a wide variety of features to enhance your site. Next, within the Add Elements menu, go ahead and click on Interactive. This is where you'll find different interactive elements that can bring life to your site. Among these, you'll see an option for lightboxes. Click on this, and you'll be presented with a variety of templates to choose from. Select the one that best fits the aesthetic and functionality you're aiming for. Once you've picked a template, you can start editing its design and content to match your brand's look and feel. Take your time here, as this will be the first interaction your potential subscribers have when opting in to your newsletter. After customizing your lightbox to perfection, let's shift our attention to the dashboard, where the magic of email marketing happens. Look to the left panel on your dashboard and click on Marketing. This section is designed to help you effectively reach and engage with your audience through innovative marketing tools. In the Marketing section, you'll want to select Email Marketing. This is your control center for creating and managing newsletters you send out to your audience. Within this tab, you have the option to generate a new newsletter or use one of the many templates available, which makes it easy to craft professional-looking emails. Pick a template that aligns with your brand's style, or start from scratch if you're feeling creative. Once you have your newsletter laid out and the content fine-tuned, click on Next to proceed. You'll then reach a section called Target Group. Here, you choose Add Subscribers, allowing you to specify exactly who will receive your newsletter. After setting up your subscriber list, click Next again. We're almost at the finish line. Everything's set up, and all that's left to do now is to click Send Now. And with that final click, your beautifully crafted newsletter is on its way to reaching your audience. It really is as simple as that. By following these steps, you've not just created a newsletter, but you've also established a direct line of communication with your audience that can help grow your relationship with them over time. Thanks for watching, and happy email